Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. I was debating if I was going to do this video because there's so many great videos out there for the spoilers, but I just can't wait for my mystery box. I am so excited. I am excited for the spoilers I have seen so far. So on this video, I was able to get together 8 variations in total. This includes all 3 boxes from the mini, premium, and deluxe. And then at the end, I want to talk about the shipping information because I've been seeing a lot of questions about that. So let's go ahead guys and get started. I know I just can't wait. I'm excited that they're already out there. I don't know if you already received your tracking, but it's excited that I think they're coming out really early this year. So the first one we're going to talk about is the first box, and this is the mini box. This one, the cost was $25. You're going to receive 3 items and the value is going to go up to $52. So it looks like a worth a box that is worth it to get it. This is variation number 1. I believe I only have 2 variations. So we have the lip liner, and this one we keep seeing it. This lip liner and the shade is Weirdo, and the price is $16. Then we have the liquid lipstick. This one retails for $18, and the color that we keep seeing, the shade is a unicorn blood. Here you see the picture of it, and this is the deep red brown. It's a very popular color, and I think it's perfect for the fall, even for the winter. And then last we have the gloss. So on this variation, you're going to be seeing just lip shades. You're going to be seeing the lip liner, the liquid lipstick, and the gloss. And the gloss is the Crystal Climax. So here I put something together because I want to make sure that we are reaching the retail value. So what I did was I got the prices from the website, and here you guys see the shades of the ones for variation number 1. And even though the box costs $25, the promo value is supposed to be $52, and this box, if you're going to receive this variation, it does meet that value price. So let's go ahead and move on to variation number 2. Variation number 2 is also the lip liner in the same shade. The liquid lipstick is also in the unicorn blood, but the gloss is different. This one is wet peach. This is a tinted peach with gold and pink shift pearls. How pretty is this gloss? So this variation, as you see, is very similar. The only thing that changed in this variation is going to be the gloss shade. So that's just letting us know that there's going to be a few variations even for the mini box already. And of course, in these, the prices are going to be the same because we are just seeing the same product so far. So now let's go ahead and move on to the premium box. For this one, I have up to 4 variations, and the premium box, the cost of this box is $60, and it's the one that you see in the middle, like a lime color. It's going to be the box. You're going to be able to receive 5 items. One of them is going to be an exclusive, and the value is going to go up to $120. So let's put that to the test to see if we reach the value on each of these variations. So the first variation we have was this picture of an unboxing, and this picture is pretty good, and I like the products in it. I was hoping, to be honest guys, I was hoping maybe for a mirror in one of these boxes, maybe for some type of highlighter, but I'm glad that we're seeing palettes in this variation because it is $60. The premium tends to be more expensive, so I'm glad to see at least a palette in the box. So here we have the Beauty Killer eyeshadow palette that retails for $45. We have the lip liner. For this variation, the lip liner, the shade is Posh Spice. For the liquid lipstick, the shade is Leo. For the gloss, the shade is Shock Wave. And here we see the beanie. The beanie is that exclusive item that it's going to be coming to the premium box, and so far is the item that I'm seeing I think everybody's going to be getting because it's what we've been seeing in all of the variations. So the cost of this box was $60. The promo value is $120, and once you add everything, if the beanie is about $23, then it will be $120. So I just went with all of the prices, and the only thing left was $23. So probably the price that it retails for the beanie is $23. So let's move on to variation number 2. Now we see a different type of palette. I don't have the other pictures, so I'm just going to include the shades for the variation and the palette. So for this one, the palette, instead of the Beauty Killer, is the Blue Blood. And this one is a little bit more expensive. This one is $52, the price of the palette. For the lip liner for this variation is Weirdo. The liquid lipstick is Leo. We keep seeing Leo and Shockwave a lot on the variation, so that might be consistent. I'm not sure yet. And then we see the beanie. So the retail value does go up a little bit because of the price of the palette. So guys, what do you think? I don't know. So far, I'm excited that there is a palette. So most of these palettes I don't have, so I don't mind getting any of these. I don't mind the shades that are lighter, that are wearable. But you guys could mix it up, especially now for the fall, or maybe even for the winter. So I'm liking so far the shades that I'm seeing. Now let's go ahead, guys, move on to variation number 3. Here we have another palette, and this is the picture that I did get, and this is a variation that she did receive. This palette, this one costs $45, so this one's a little bit less. The lip liner is different. This one is the Posh Spice, and once again we see the liquid lipstick, we do see Leo, but for the gloss it changed. This one is more of a diamond color. It is like a shade of blue. It's really I think this is a very diamond juice. I think that's the color blue. So that is really a different look. And as you see, instead of having Weirdo for the lip liner, then they have a more neutral, a nice soft shade like Posh Spice. And then the beanie, so this one comes out to $120. Look at the inside of this palette. To be honest with you guys, I don't mind any of these palettes for the premium box. So now let's move on to I forgot to, okay, here guys, I wanted to include all the variations in this picture. So far we have all these 3 palettes, all the ones that I mentioned, and it seems like these are going to be the only palettes we've seen, because then on variation 3 and 4 we have the same palette, but you will see that some of the shades do change. And here you will see, guys, all 4 variations for the lip liner, the lipstick, the gloss, and then of course the beanie is in all of the variations. So this is what we have so far from the premium box. Let me know what you guys think so far on the comment section. So now let's go ahead and move on to the deluxe. Yes, the deluxe, this one is really expensive, and I'm gonna tell you, I got all 3. So guys, stay tuned for my unboxing. I was a little bit scared because $100, I know it's not that much compared to other times, but it's still $100, and you want to make sure that you do get your money's worth, especially spending $100. But it wasn't just $100. I also got the other 2 boxes, and it does say that the value is going to be $222. So I was a little bit scared, but finally we got 2 different variations, and I am impressed. I am happy with what I'm seeing. Yes, I wish there was a mirror, but I'm happy with the products that I've seen in these variations. So the first we see is Bloodlust. I am kind of like, I was hoping this wasn't going to be in it because I do have this palette, but it is my favorite color, and I am surprised to see such a new palette in the deluxe variation, which I'm happy he did that. But I am not sure if there's going to be any other palettes variation. If there is, I hope I get it, because I already have the Bloodlust, but I'm happy to see it in the box. Then we have the lip liner, Calabazas. Then we have the liquid lipstick, Designer Blood. The gloss for this variation, I don't have the shade, but guys, we have an Extreme Frost, and you see it there. It is so pretty, and that one retails for $50. This one is Lick My Glit. For the lip scrub, I was shocked because I was not seeing the lip scrub in the minis or even in the premium, but then now we got to see it in the deluxe. So that was shown once again this year, and this is a lip scrub for Strawberry Gum. Then we have the Black Lip Balm. It is a balm. It's not a lipstick. It's just a balm. It's pretty light. I've seen the swatches and it's pretty light. And the shade is Widow. I'm not sure if the price because in the website there's only one showing for $18. And they did say that the value is going to be $222. So I'm going based on the prices for other products in the website. So if the regular lip balm is $18 and the regular shirts are 25, this is a little off. So I don't know if the value of the lip balm is a little bit more, or if the shirt that he for this variation is a little bit more. I feel like I'm off, but I'm just letting you guys know based on me checking the prices in the website. But like the shirt, this shirt specifically is not in the website, but if you see the regular shirt prices is 25. But so far I am so blown away and impressed with this variation alone. Look at these shades here. They are so pretty, so wearable. They're very cute. So now let's go ahead and move on to variation number 2. I don't have a picture for that one, but you will see that it's very similar. The lip liner is the same shade. The liquid lipstick is the same shade. So the gloss, since I didn't have the gloss here, the shade, but you did see it in the picture, and this one is Candy Drip. For the Extreme Frost, this one is Lick My Glit, the one I just showed you for variation number 1. For variation number 2 is Choking on Ice. And here is Strawberry Gum. Well, this one is Blue Raspberry. So you do see it it's more in the blue side for variation number 2. And yeah, we see the same prices. So far I'm happy and impressed with the Deluxe. Like I mentioned at first, I was a little scared. It's $100, but I am glad with this how the boxes are looking so far. Let me talk to you guys about the shipping status. I've been reading a lot and seeing that you guys are not seeing or getting the email. So if you're not getting the email, go ahead and check your account, log into your account on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website and check on your My Account. It's gonna show you your order. Once you click your order number, if it does say fulfill, it's gonna have the tracking number there. Another way that I saw my tracking number, and even though before they even send me the email, I only received one email, have not received it for the other ones. I did check, I logged in. We already have an account to the USPS, and since we already have an account, I logged in, and the tracking information was already there. So that's another way you guys could check and see what is the status for your package. So guys, this concludes this video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I know we're all excited, can't wait to see what our boxes are gonna be. I hope we are all blown away and happy, since it is a lot of money that we all spend, and I hope we all get good stuff and we're happy with what we get. So if you really like this video, you enjoy, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys could check out also my unboxing. So thank you guys once again, and until the next video, bye.